Hello, this is La Grande Dame. We are back with another beauty react. Let's jump right in. So she is putting the rhinestones and the little gems and the little glitters directly on the lash. But yeah, that's a good hack. I'm excited to see how it goes on Daphne because she's gonna look so good. Let's glitter your eye. Oh, it's gonna work. You're gonna be ready for Christmas. Oh, beautiful.
Yes,
It worked! It was big glitters. Is it heavy? Because that was my question.
No.
Love it! That's a success if you wanna be that at the Christmas table. Go for it. She is using Lube as like sort of a primer. Hey, it can't hurt nobody. If it's good enough for you coochie, good enough for mine. Get all glidey and all. This is Lube time. We are going to test it. And I'm gonna do half of your face so we can like do a little comparison. Squirt, 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 bam! You know what? We're gonna do the other side to see how it goes normally. We're gonna try it on the lubed side. It's not a disaster for now. This is a success actually, and that's really surprising to me. I feel like the primer made the foundation like dissolve and just mix with it and allowed it to glide. So yeah, no, that's a success. She is using a squishy silicone thing to do her French tip. She's able to make a perfect ellipse with a silicone that is painted in white. So I'm gonna put a lot of it on here. We are going to dip it. Bam! Isn't it beautiful? If this is not beautiful, I don't know what is. Good hack! Tattoo hack. She is using tape to remove the fake tattoo, like the water transfer tattoo. Good spray. Hopefully it's good. Oh! Beautiful. I'm gonna leave you the half of it.
Okay.
So you can remember. Beautiful.
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 Okay.
Good hack. We have a young lady that has a really cute bang and that is doing her eyeliner as I should do them. It looks really easy, really quick. Pretty sure she wasted a lot of time perfecting it. We're back. I think we're gonna have to do a little challenge.
Yeah.
I want to see how you do it without seeing yourself. And perhaps I'm gonna close my eyes, so I want to see how I'm doing it without seeing it. Should you try first? Let's do a pif pif poof. Whoa, bam! Come on, Batman! It's you. I am just gonna try not to poke your eye. I'm not sure it's a hack. It is like a very funny video you do on TikTok. We turned it into a challenge.
Yes.
And you won. So I don't like this hack.
I like it.
So she is burning the tip of the banana. And apparently it's working. It looks a little gray. It's not the blackest black. Bananas, eyeliner, drunks, basic. You have all the ingredients. Let's jump right in. We're gonna burn a banana. I'm pretty sure it's not safe to do that in the basement.
Yeah, but I love it.
So we're gonna let it sit for a minute.
Yes.
We don't want to burn your eye either.
Thank you.
Is it cold? I'm gonna lift a little bit your false lash. No, actually, it's not working that good. It's really great. So, la banana is not for today. We are going to pass on this one. Lemon hack. Yeah, she let it dry. She put some paint in it and then applied the paint and the citrus by extension with it. Okay, I'm surprised it worked. So I'm getting this. We're gonna do a multicolor.
I'm scared.
The bad news is that it's really ugly. The good news is that it's really ugly and that you're going to be able to wash it up really soon. So that's a pass on this one. This was La Grande Dame. I hope you had a great time. I surely did, of course. I can't wait to see you back on the next one. Until then, stay safe and I'll be right here. I'll be waiting. Oh, and let's get loud. Let's get down. Ça me fera des images. Et on va faire un petit truc. Oh. Sorry.